Namaskar, Moharaho. I am a Bakarwal tribe from Jammu and Kashmir, a North Indian state. We are mainly dependent on livestock and retain traditional way of life. During summer, we migrate to Kashmir, while in winter, we return back to Jammu. Dhanyawad.
सत श्री अकाल साऱ्यांनो, I am a Punjab Rajput tribe and it is in North India. Our speciality is our style, clothes and our diet. Our special dance is Bhangra. We have been living in Punjab and Himalayan range since age. तुम्हारा धन्यवाद. I am a North Indian bride from Jammu and Kashmir. The wedding dress of Jammu and Kashmir is known as Firan. Kashmiri wedding is of 7 days. In these days, every family member wears 7 different colors. The wedding is held in temple and is known as Kasamdri. Dhanyawad.
Sat Shri Akal Sarannu. I am the bride from Punjab. Our wedding will last up to 4 to 5 days. Our wedding includes Anand Karaj, Fere and Vidai. Our wedding is held in Gurudwara. Twada Dhanyawad.
Radhe Radhe. I am a bride from Uttar Pradesh, which is in North India. Uttar Pradesh wedding starts from Roka. The wedding dress I am wearing is known as Mukesh Lehenga Choli. The most important ritual is Kanyadan, in which the bride's father gave her hand in the hands of groom. Dhanyawad. From Kerala in South India. Kappa mean curry is one of the traditional food among us. We are best known as hunters and gatherers. Nandi Namaskaram.
Vanakkam. I am a South Indian tribe from Tamil Nadu. I am a member of Toda tribe. Toda peoples are Dravidian ethnic group who live in the state of Tamil Nadu in South India. Our economic is mainly based on buffalo. Those regions feature the cycle of buffalo. Nandri.
Bride from Kerala, which is in South India. In Kerala, traditional dress is called Satmundu. The culture of the Kerala is clothing, arts and dance. Guruvayur Shri Krishna temple is known for wedding in Kerala. Sadhya is prepared during wedding. Nandi Namaskaram.
Vanakkam. I am a South Indian bride from Tamil Nadu. I am wearing a pattu sari which is worn during the weddings in Tamil Nadu. Pattu sari is made up of silk. Weddings are held for 2 days, mostly in the morning. The most important and emotional ritual is Kanyadanam.
Speciality is our terracotta crafts and pottery. We are blessed and diverse in greenery. Magadi.
Namaste. I am a tribe from Assam. It is in eastern part of India. Our people are known as Bodo tribes. Our traditional dress is known as Zokona. It is very beautiful, graceful and colorful. Our speciality is our traditional dance Bihu and the tea you drink, most of it is made in Assam. The Bodo tribes were also the first people who produced silk materials. Dhanyawad.
Kuramjari. I am a tribe from Manipur in East India. I am from Kangai Park tribe. Here people are known as Sanlai Park. I am wearing the dress known as Fi and Fanik. Here people staple food consists of rice, fishes and lot of varieties of green leafy vegetables. Takajari.
Indian bride from Jharkhand. For marriage, we strongly follow births and kundalis. The marriage invitation by the groom or bride has been done by smearing of turmeric and sun-dried rice, which is also known as Nevta Tikli. The wedding dress I am wearing is of Tushar silk, which is produced in Jharkhand. The traditional dress in Jharkhand for women is Panchi Parhan and Dhoti Kurta for men. Magadi.
Namaste. I am a bride from Assam, which is in East India. Today, the wedding dress I am wearing is called as Mekhela Shador. In Assami wedding, Teldiya is considered as the most important ritual. In this ritual, groom's mother put a ring and beetle on the bride's head, and in addition, she pours oil in it 3 times. Dhanyabad.
Kurumchari. I am an East Indian bride from Manipur. The wedding dress of a bride is named as Podloi. The speciality in our place is flock and classic. Inapi and panik are the traditional dress of women in Manipur. The wedding process begins with Hinaba ritual, which refers to every first meeting of a both bride and groom. Tagachari.
Belong to Bride. We are considered as one of the oldest tribe in India. We are also fond of dance and music with traditional instruments like flute and drum. Dhanyavad sir.
Namaskar, I am a tribe from Maharashtra, which is in the western part of India. I belong to Koi tribe. Today, the traditional dress I am wearing is called lugat. Our traditional occupation is fishing. We are known for our folk songs, dances, and festivals. Jai Maharashtra!
I am a West Indian bride from Rajasthan. Our Marwari culture is to wear Rangla Choli and Sari. Our wedding is of 5 days and it is held at night. Royalty, rich culture, heritage and a magnificent lifestyle are the reflection of Rajasthan. Dhanyavad sir.
Namaskar, I am a West Indian bride from Maharashtra. Our traditional wedding dress is called Peshwai Nawari. The bride, who is dressed traditionally in a bright paithani sari or a silk shalu with gold jewelry and flowers in her hair, worships and invokes the blessings of Goddess Parvati for a prosperous life. Jai Maharashtra!
Namaste, I am Bharatmata, also known as Mother India. I am a country where people speak different languages, wear different types of clothes, and many more. I have diversity in states and culture, tribes and brides, as you have already seen. We believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam. Vasudev Kutumbakam is a Sanskrit phrase found in Hindu text which means the whole world is a family. Dhanyavad.